Hi guys, welcome to this new video. Bienvenue à cette nouvelle vidéo. Today I wanted to go over some of the nonsensical things I see in French books in college and high school. I've got a couple in mind right now, and one is just to illustrate the lack of creativity that they have in those books that makes French or languages in general pretty boring. Sometimes they just don't make any sense. I mean, it's pretty extreme. Look at this. This was part of an exercise, and the sentence reads, Papa est sur le canapé et dans le four. How much sense did that make, really? Dad is on the couch and in the oven. I mean, what's the point? Okay, as I say, sometimes when I give examples in my course, it's not always necessarily exactly the same things you want to say in life, but at least you build vocab, and that's what matters. But to some extent, it's got to make some sense to make it appealing to the students. So, Daddy is on the couch and in the oven. I don't think that's gonna, be a way of attracting students to learn languages. But anyway, the other one that I wanted to mention is a mistake that I see in books, and I see, and I know some teachers make. When they talk about food, and as you can see here, for instance, you have a question, est-ce que tu aimes les macarons? Do you like macaron? Est-ce que tu aimes les macarons? And the answer that they think is the correct answer is, oui, je les aime. They think, oh, direct object, we're going to use a direct object pronoun, so oui, je les aime. And in French, I can guarantee you it makes no sense. You have to be very precise about this. Most of the time, we would not say that. Most of the time, if you say, est-ce que tu aimes les macarons? Do you like macaron? We would say, oui, j'aime ça. I like it. I like them. J'aime ça. When you talk about food in general, you say, j'aime ça. Do you like chicken? Est-ce que tu aimes le poulet? The answer is not, oui, je l'aime. That means, oh, yes, I'm in love with him. Doesn't make any sense, okay? And that's what I see all the time in schools. And unfortunately, I used to have my students get the wrong answer so that they could get good grades, which is so terrible. I felt torn about it. So let's get this straight. We talk about food, and if you want to say, j'aime le poulet. Est-ce que tu aimes le poulet? Oui, j'aime ça. I like it. It. Je l'aime means I love him, okay? Only if someone brings their dish, someone made a beautiful dish, gratin dauphinois, for instance, puts it on the table, puts it on your plate, you take one bite and says, tu l'aimes? Est-ce que c'est tu aimes? Usually we say, do you like it? We say, tu aimes? Do you like? Okay, that's what we would say most of the time. Est-ce que tu aimes? Oui, j'aime. If anything, we say, oui, j'aime ça. Do you like mine, precisely that one that you got in your plate that I made for you? Est-ce que tu l'aimes? Oui, je l'aime. Possibly. But again, that's a little far-fetched. You'd be much safer if you keep it at j'aime ça ou j'aime, simply. Okay? All right, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like it, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to get more. Don't forget to go to the description and get the link to download the app so you can start learning for free and join the over 1,000 students at Language City who have been learning with me. Every day you can ask me questions in forums located below every video. We've got over 110, 120 hours of videos with listening comprehension, over almost 200 written exercises with answer keys. It's absolutely phenomenal. You will learn everything that you should have learned at school in a much better way, and everything you would have learned in immersion for at least 2 years with me by your side, breaking down every sentence. It's fantastic. Anyway, I'll see you soon at Language City, and you'll see what it's like to speak like a native. Salut, à bientôt!